Hello guys, in this section I'm going to be showing you how to fund your TikTok ads account. You see, I just get to know that you can now fund your TikTok ads account in two ways. If you don't want to use that dollar card at all, there is now a way to bypass it. You know Nigerians now, since the guys just a share update every day. In fact, I'm so happy to share this with you guys. So let's get it in a quick match. What you want to do is you want to open your browser, maybe on your laptop or on your phone, since you have already registered on TikTok Ads Manager before. It's already on your phone. What you just want to do is go to ads.tiktok.com. Actually, you can see it brings it up immediately. Once you click on it, it is going to load up your ads account. You understand? So it's going to show interface like this. So as you can see this, you want to come to this corner here beside the TikTok Ad Manager. You click on it and you come to this Business Center. As you can see, you click on Business Center. It's going to load up our Business Center. So as you can see from here, you just have to click on the Business Center, which you're seeing here. Click on it. Please pay attention. So now you are not going to click this setup payment details, which you are seeing here, which says start. You are not going to click it. You want to come to this side here. You want to scroll up under this finance. You see this finance, you will see payment management. Please pay attention. I beg. I just go beg you. I beg. Leave that girl. No look am for now. No think am. Just think on this one. You understand? You go meet am later if you don't make money. So you see this payment management. You click on it. So, as I've said, if you want to use your dollar card, if you don't get access to dollar card, you know if you do that while as me I don't go through, just leave this payment method where you see here, no touch them at all. You see this downside, we say set later. As you can see, you can also set your payment method and fund later on the payments gear on the payment page. Just click on set later. You see it, just click it. Now we don't bypass them. You understand? You see them. Just click on skip for this one, no mind down, and show you boy. Now, as you see it, as you see this, you just scroll up, you see this add balance. I hope you can see it. Just click it. Now we don't bypass am because now 00 e bring. Before e no bring 00, e won't accept dollar for your hand or naira. But now naira we won't give am. He no get choice. They no point papa way. Now the minimum amount you can add on TikTok is 15. Bah, I don't feel lie for you. As you've seen it, they've already written it here, minimum 15,000 naira. So, but for the purpose of this advert, let me just put, I've already told you that you must be including VAT because Nigerian government, they like tax. So I don't know, whatever country you're watching this from, it depends on how much your government is charging for tax. And if your government is not charging tax, congratulations to you. So our government is charging 7.5% for tax. Let's say I'm going to be funding 20,000 naira. So as you can see, 7.5% VAT. Government is going to collect 1,500 naira on this. So total amount 21,500 naira. You come here, you click on confirm. So from here, you see this place is set credit or debit card. Click it. No fall for am. So now, all you just have to do is that way my bank, where I talk to you, go collect their MasterCard. You don't finish. Just input their details here. Do you understand? Once you input all their details, information here, I don't want to put any of my card details here again. I beg. I don't want wala. So once you put it here, it's just as simple as ABC. Immediately you put it, both the card number, the expiry date, the security code, that 3 number will dey the back of that your card. Now you go get this security code place. And the name, your name, where you take register your bank, you go put them here. If you want to save your card so that you'll be using it for future adverts, you can click on this thing, save details for further payment. You click on it. If you don't want to save it, I know they save them, you can just remove it. But I will advise you save it maybe for future purpose. Since you are the only one that is going to be using your account, you can save it. And once you are done with the details and everything, you just come to this make payment down here, which you're seeing now. Once you click it, my dear, Wema Bank is going to send you a code. You just input the code back into here and you are good to go. Shikini Sefini. That's just how to set up the payment method for your TikTok ads account. And I hope this helped. Please don't forget, it is highly very important. Share this with other people who you also want them to benefit from this. I know for them money, I beg. Let other people get to know from this. Drop a comment if there is anything you don't understand or you want me to explain on other things. And please click on that subscribe button. It's very important. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.